Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the keywords break and continue. Okay, and we will learn also for else loop and while else loop. First, let's write a simple for loop for I in range, let's say for example 10, and we want to print I but with end equal space instead of new line. Okay, then when the loop ends I want a new line. Okay, so let's run our program. Okay, we will have numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is not included in my range. Okay, we want to use the break keyword. We will use f I equal 5. If I equal 5, I want to break. What do you expect the result will be? When I equal 5, the loop will end and the code after the loop will be executed. Let's check this. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when I equal to 5, the loop stop. Then we have a new line. We can add here print. For example, hello. Run again. So the loop, first iteration prints 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then I equal 5, so the loop stop. Then we print hello. Okay, so the break keyword is used to stop a loop if a certain condition is true. Okay, let's try continue keyword. Let's run our program again. Look here, the result is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with no 5 printed, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Then when the loop ends, we print hello. Okay? This means that when I equal 5, the continue keyword will skip this iteration when I equal 5 and go to the next iteration when I equal 6 and print 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then the loop is finished, then print hello. So to summarize, the break keyword is used to stop a loop if a certain condition is true, and the continue keyword is used to skip an iteration of a loop when a certain condition is true. Okay? We want now to learn for else loop. Let's write a simple for loop. For C in a string Muhammad Ali. We want to print C in every iteration. Okay? But we want end to equal 2 spaces, like here. Or I will use 2 asterisks like this. Okay? Then when the loop ends, I want go to the next line, print, then print also hi everyone. Okay, let's run this code. Now we have M double asterisk, O double asterisk, H double asterisk, and so on till the end of my string. Then when the loop ends, we print in a new line hi everyone, like this. Okay, we can use else here. So when the loop ends, when the for loop ends, print in a new line hi everyone. Let's run our program. We will have the same result as before. Okay, if C equals D, the character we want to print, just to have a new line, then break. What do you expect the result? Let's run our program to see. The result is M double asterisk O double asterisk H double asterisk A double asterisk M double asterisk E double asterisk. When we reach D, when we reach the character D, the loop stops and the code after else will not be executed because we used the break keyword. Let's clarify this. Here our code without the break. When we run the code, we have Muhammad Ali with double asterisks between each two characters. Okay, then the code in the else block is executed. Okay, but if the break keyword is executed because of a certain condition is true, the loop stop and the code after else will not be executed. Okay? The same for while else loop. Let's write a simple while loop. While first I equals 0, while I less than 5, we want to print I, and I will be updated by 1. Then else we want to print no break. Okay. Let's run our program. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, is printed. Then no break. Okay. But if I equal to 4, we want to break. What do you expect the result will be? Let's see. We print 0, 1, 2, 3. When we reach I equal 4, we break and the loop stop and the code after else is not executed. We are done for today. In the next lesson, we will learn how to handle errors in Python. So, see you next lesson and bye.